This is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to block your contact or how to stop your contact to find you on your Instagram. So if you want to stop your contact to find you on Instagram, you need to do this setting in order to block them or avoid them to find you on Instagram. So first you need to open your Instagram app and log into your account. Now you need to click on the profile icon, and here you need to click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now you need to click on the setting option. Under setting option you will see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the account section. Under account section you will see that there is an option called contact syncing. You need to click on this, and here you need to toggle off this feature. After offing this feature, now your contact will not able to find you on Instagram. So this is the way to block your contact to find you on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to stop the contact to find you on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.